everyone, I'm Mark Rosenthal with you on this Saturday night. Going out tonight, bundle up, baby. It's getting cold outside, and everybody's talking about the big snowstorm that's coming. I still think it's coming, but I got to be honest with you, folks. There's been a lot of model flip-flops during the last 24 hours. That always has me nervous, all right? So here we go. Hold on. Let's do this together. Let's check out the weather headline. We're now under a blizzard watch. Under a blizzard watch, not a warning, but a blizzard watch for late Monday night and all day Tuesday. But we continue to watch the computer model storm track flip-flops. It's all over the place, but now it's further to the southeast, so that means it's snow or nothing for us in Boston, and I do think we'll get some snow. But local temperatures early this evening running in the teens and single numbers from Boston all the way up across northern New England. Warm today in South Florida. It's in the 80s, and of course, we're still in a gusty northwesterly airflow, so winds still blowing 15 to 25 miles an hour tonight. Certainly bundle up if you're going out of doors with wind chills down in the single numbers to a few degrees below zero. Yikes, hard to believe this is March. All right, here's what's happening in terms of the latest satellite loop. You see moisture gathering now in the Gulf of Mexico, big thunderstorms popping there, moisture spreading up all the way into the Tennessee Valley, and also notice a potent system coming into the Pacific Northwest. This is going to join hands with our Gulf of Mexico friend to form a big storm off the Mid-Atlantic coast by early Tuesday. Therein lies the rub. So let's talk about some of the computer models. This is the latest GFS model, valid for 8 o'clock Tuesday morning. They show an intensifying area located east of Chesapeake Bay. Cold, high pressure stretched across southern and eastern Canada. So that's 8 o'clock. Now watch what happens to the storm. Looks like it's going to come right up over us. Then it starts to take that track more off to the east, now passing southeast of Cape Cod. Remember, last night we were talking about low pressure coming up over Boston. Computer models now have been steady all day, saying no, this is going to pass east of us. We're in the cold side of the storm, getting hammered with heavy snow and strong northeast winds. Now, I don't want to get too technical, but for you weather geeks, I wanted to show you this. This is a map of 500 millibars. This is 18,000 feet. Jet stream level wind. We're showing you valid for 1 o'clock Tuesday afternoon. You can see that area of low pressure digging down the Great Lakes, but notice where the X is. That's a vorticity max, some atmospheric spin, lots of energy. This is the lead system, which the European model had beautifully the other day and then just threw it out. But if this is the real world, that upper low doesn't come down from the Great Lakes and capture the surface low and pull it towards Boston. Instead, you have a lead vorticity max with a whole shebang taking a potent storm system off to the southeast of New England. If that storm had come further west, it would have become because the upper level low captured the surface low and pulled it northwest. That's not happening now. All right, enough said on that little weather lesson, but this is the GFS snowfall in the pink zone, a solid 7 to 14 inches of snow from Boston to Worcester, Hartford, Providence. They say lesser amounts over the Cape. I'm not sure if they're feeling rain's going to get involved in the Cape or not, but with the storm track so far to the southeast, I think that's Albeco, and the Cape gets blasted as well, as long as the storm tracks to the southeast of us. Forecast for Boston overnight talks about clearing, windy, bitter cold weather. 4 to 10 above zero. Bundle up. Here's your 5-day forecast, starting with actually Monday, but tomorrow we'll talk about partly sunny, cold weather. It'll be in the 20s. Monday, increasing clouds. It'll be near 30. Snow could break out at night, late at night. Tuesday, snow heavy at times, windy and cold in the upper 20s. The storm will wind down by probably late Tuesday night. Wednesday, cloudy, windy, cold, snow showers in the upper 20s. It's cold and dry on Thursday. There could be a little light snow here on Friday with another system coming out of the Great Lakes, but that's not a certainty. So you can see we're following a lot of stuff here on the table. We'll continue to do that for you. Don't forget, Ray's New Garden Restaurant tonight at 8:30. Karaoke with Richie Spalding. Come on down. Big crowd coming tonight. I'll see you there. Till then.